The Crayola Counting Book by Mary Shue. Twos, fives, tens. There are lots of ways to count. Counting fun. So many crayons, so many colors. How many crayons do you see? Let's count. How many crayons are there? Let's count them one at a time. Start with the red crayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can count backward too. Start with the red crayon again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You're almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This time, count by color. How many green crayons are there? Miss Powell sees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green crayons. Skip counting. Let's count by groups. This is called skip counting. You can count by twos. Look closely at the crayons. Each pair has 2 crayons. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now each group has 5 crayons. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20. Count them all. Let's count by tens. Each group has 10 crayons. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There are 5 more groups to count. 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Adding and subtracting. Now it's time to add. There are 6 crayons in the box. There are 2 crayons on the table. Add them together. How many crayons are there? Well, 6 plus 2 is 8. Now, let's take 5 crayons out of the box. How many crayons are left? Let's subtract. 8 minus 5 equals 3. There are 3 crayons left in the box. Look at all the crayons. There are many ways to count them. How can you count them all?